In this video, I'm going to show you this brand new strategy that you can use to make anywhere between $90 to $200 per day with no investment. And we're going to be using the Instagram app to do this. And the best part is you don't need any followers, and we're going to be using a brand new account. This is really going to be unique, so I suggest you stay tuned. So as mentioned in the intro, I'm going to show you step by step how to do the strategy. You don't need any budget at all. You're not going to need any investment, and I'm going to hold your hand throughout the entire process. And if you take action with what I'm going to teach you in this video, you are bound to make an income online. So I'm going to hop inside of my computer and I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. This is really going to be packed with a lot of value, so I suggest that you watch this until the end. So the way that we're going to be making money with the strategy is called CPA marketing, which is very similar to that of affiliate marketing, but instead of earning commissions on sales of specific digital products, we're going to be earning commissions per lead that we get. So for example, an action that somebody takes, whether it's signing up on a single opt-in offer where they enter their email and password, Max Bounty will reward us a commission for every lead that we collect or make. And Max Bounty is one of many CPA networks that we can use to find hundreds to thousands of various different offers that we can go and promote with the brand new strategy that I'm going to show you in this video. So basically, there is a ton of different companies paying Max Bounty to list their different CPA offers, and we will get a commission for every time we get somebody to their website, which Max Bounty rewards us, and they obviously keep a markup or a commission on their side from the company that has paid them to obviously make their money as well to maintain their websites or any other expenses. So for example, you can see over here a 50s love dating website. So if you sign up somebody on this website that is over 50 years old, you're going to get $8 per lead that you sign up. That is just one of hundreds to thousands of various different offers that you can go and promote. So you're going to get your unique affiliate link that will take the user to this landing page, and as soon as they sign up, you're going to get $8 to your Max Bounty account. You can see today so far I've earned $98.60, and we're only about halfway through the day, so that is still going up over time. And I'm using various different strategies like that I'm teaching in this video. And other offers over here, such as McAfee antivirus, it's a post sale, so you're going to get $40 per lead. So as soon as somebody enters, for example, their bank information or signs up for the trial, you're going to get $40 per lead. So some of these are going to be more, some of these are going to be less, but the little ones such as $2.50, where you just enter a basic competition for a gift card giveaway, over here you're going to get a smaller commission such as $2.50. And I know some people have been struggling to sign up on Max Bounty, but I've actually got an entire video dedicated to how to get signed up on Max Bounty and to guarantee yourself to getting approved. So I'll leave that link to that video down below in the description if you haven't signed up on Max Bounty yet. Otherwise, there's lots of other alternatives such as OfferVault. There's another one called CPAleads.com that I also use, but OfferVault and Max Bounty are probably two of my favorites to use when it comes to CPA marketing. So the specific offer that we want to go and promote is called a single opt-in sweepstakes competition. So for example, a company might be having a giveaway, and on that landing page, every time you sign up someone to that giveaway, you are going to get a lead, whether it's 80 cents, $1, $2, $3, different companies pay various different amounts out. So the first step is we want to come over here to search campaigns, where we can actually go and find and filter via these various different campaigns. You want to click on type in a campaign, you want to click on search options, you want to make sure that you've got CPA, you can have that any type, and you want to uncheck everything except social media, because we're going to be promoting this with Instagram, which is social media. And then for categories, come down and you want to select sweepstakes, and you can see a ton of various different sweepstake offers and single opt-in offers that you can go and promote. So you can see over here a subscription for some product, you're going to earn $11 per lead. This one is $4 per lead, and this one's $2 per lead. So they vary depending on the action that your lead needs to take. The ones that pay more usually require like a sign up to some trial like I explained, but the smaller ones such as $2.20, you just need to collect their email and password and get them to sign up for that website or that specific giveaway. And for this particular example, I'm going to be using the PlayStation 5 just because it was released. There's a lot of hype happening around it. It's something that will go viral very quickly, especially since we are giving one away. So what this website is doing is they are collecting a whole bunch of emails, leads for people to sign up for this giveaway on this PlayStation 5. They will then choose a random person out of these emails to give away this PlayStation 5. And how they make money is when they collect people's emails, they will promote them with giveaways or with offers, paid offers, and that's how this company will make their money, well over $500, and that's how they make their profit with this giveaway competition. And what's great about this, you can choose any offer that you'd like in any niche. This will work for anything that has to do with sweepstake offers. So you can see here, I just put in PlayStation in the search bar, and you can see there's a winner PlayStation 5 for US audience and winner PlayStation 5 for the UK audience. There's also a PlayStation 5 for another country over here. So I'm going to use the US one as that is the audience that I'm going to be targeting. And every time you get someone to sign up on this giveaway page, you are going to get $2.45 to your Max Bounty account, where they pay directly to your PayPal account, to your bank account. And as we mentioned in the intro, we're going to be using the Instagram application to go and promote this offer and make it go viral. So you need to go and obviously create an Instagram page related to the niche of the giveaway. So PlayStation 5 has got to do with console gaming, and anything that's got to do with perhaps playing games or in the PlayStation niche. So you can create a new gaming page. And you don't want to create a page just on the PlayStation 5 or like giveaways or something like that. You want to create a more general page on gaming in general, because obviously it's related to PlayStation, which is games. So if, for example, you're doing a sports giveaway in soccer, you want to create a sports page or a general sports page, not just on soccer. And no, we aren't going to go and repost viral content in our niche to hope that our page goes viral. We're actually going to be doing something very unique and new. So the viral strategy that we're going to be using is really going to get you so many leads, and it's going to be amazing. And that's going to be using the power of sharing, getting other people to share our post to enter this giveaway. So you can see I made this little template on canva.com, share to win a PS5 worth $500. So that's what the PS5 is more or less going to cost. And then I've got here, read the description to enter, with a picture of the PS5 and its console. And then you can see in the description, you're going to have the following steps. So I used the Instagram name page as an example, console versus PC games. So I said, welcome to the launch of our brand new page, console versus PC games, where we have an awesome competition. You could win a brand new PS5 worth $500. To enter, follow these steps. Share this post on your story, follow at console vs PC games, click on the link in the bio to submit your entry, and you must do all of the above to enter. So for those of you that are new, Canva is a website where you can drag and drop and create simple designs like this. They give you tons of done for you templates. It's a free website that you can use to design little graphic designs like this for free. So how this works is this post is automatically going to make itself go viral. So when people see your page and see this post, they automatically first need to share this on their story. So people with a following basis, everyone's going to see this post. Everyone that is interested in this giveaway, because it's a giveaway, you're not paying anything to enter this giveaway. A lot of people are going to take part in this, and then from there other people see it and it will just get shared more and more and more, and that's how the viral snowball effect is going to take place with this post, as it's making itself go viral. As the key step to entering this competition is to share this post on your story, and then the link in your bio is going to lead through to your affiliate offer on this Max Bounty page. So to get your link, all you do is you click on build tracking link, you can do social, and then you can do text link. And you can see here, win the new PlayStation 5. If I go right click, copy link address, and I go paste this in a new tab, you can see this landing page. Let's just wait for this to load. Here you can see win the new PlayStation 5. When somebody enters their email and their contact information, they will contact their winner using this information. You are going to get $2.45 per lead per every person that signs in their email on this page. So sometimes we do know that when people enter these kind of competitions, they don't usually follow all of the steps. But the main thing that we want people to take action with is share this post on your story, because this is the best way to make the post go viral itself, as it's part of the rules to enter the competition, and other people in their audiences, as people can follow, share it, and share it over and over again, and thousands of people will start seeing this post. It just takes 1 or 2 people to share this and then take off from there, because then people are going to see, click the link on the bio when people are sharing the post over and over again, the more clicks and leads you're going to get on your offer. So there's a few ways that we can go and tackle this. We can either post this and use an app called #expert, which is an app that generates viral hashtags related to a keyword or a term that you enter into the app. So for example, if you enter PlayStation 5 into #expert, just waiting for this to load, it's going to generate you about 40 to 50 hashtags related to PlayStation, related to gaming, that you can go and paste on your post, and it will get a lot more exposure on the explore page. And then from there, it just takes 1 or 2 people to like and see your post and share it, and then that's how the virality spreads from there. But however, this does take a while. Growing a page from scratch takes a lot of efforts. Growing a page organically takes time. time. So I'm going to show you 1 or 2 platforms that you can use to shortcut this entire process. If you've got an extra $20 to $30 in your pocket, what you could do is you could use this app and grow your page organically a little bit. Any sales and any signups that you get on your offer from there, you can go and use into this $20 paid strategy. So we can go to a website called influencercart.com, and alternatively you can come over to shoutouts.com, which is the same thing, just an alternative. So these 2 websites, you can actually pay people with big Instagram accounts with a big loyal following basis to shout out this post on their story, and their audience will see that post and start sharing it themselves. But what I really like about Influencer Cart, you can actually see the audience where most of these pages are from. So you can see this web page or Instagram page over here, Men with Swags, currently has 11.3k followers, and most of the audience is United States. You can see this one's India, so you don't want to use this one. This was pretty good. 25% of the audience is United States, which is really good. This one over here, India. This one, India. This one is 61% United States. So this is a great page to use. So let's take them for example. We can open them in a new tab, and you can copy their username, for example, at Hempsler, and we can come over to Instagram and we can paste their Instagram username on Instagram, and we want to go and inspect what their engagement is like, because obviously you don't want to go promote your page or your offer on a page that has no likes or that is getting dead likes or bot likes or anything like that. So you can see with 17.4k likes, each post should be getting about 500 to 2,000 likes. So you can see here 99 likes, 126, 137. For 17,000 followers, this page is not doing very good. Their likes are bad. I mean, my page has half the amount of followers, and I sometimes get triple the amount of likes to this. So this is not a page you want to use. So we can come back to Influencer Cart, and you can see another page here, Rocket Leaguers United States, 29%. This is a good page. So you want to open them up, copy the username, come over to Instagram, and let's inspect. 61k followers, 2,000 views, 1,000 likes, 4,000 views, 1,620k views, 5,000 likes. This is a good page. They're getting good engagement. I'd say anywhere between 10 and 20%, which is really good. So what you can do is you can DM them, asking them to post your page, this picture over here, on their story. And you can also, if you want to, place the order through Influencer Carts, but I always like to DM them, ask them what their different packages are, see if you can maybe get a discount if you use them regularly. But I would suggest DM them, ask them, can you do the shout out, what's your price, and you PayPal them $20, $30 or whatever their price is. They will post this on their story. All their viewers, 61k followers. Remember, story posts get a lot more engagement than that of normal posts on the feed, so you're going to get quite a couple of thousands of views on this post. And I mean, just a few people share that. This has a big potential to go viral. And remember, you're then going to get $2.45 per lead that you get up on this page. So I suggest come over to the niche and have a look at anything that's got to do with games, maybe memes, as PlayStation 5. I know there was a lot of memes trending on it. So you kind of want to also find a page that's in the relative niche. You can do the same on shoutcart.com. You can see here is gaming. Here is gaming over here, and you can just check gaming and you can filter through all the pages that are gaming pages and go and promote your offer there. And remember that you are going to get people from other countries that is not supported by this offer, and you won't actually earn off of them. But because this picture goes viral by itself, it doesn't matter. And remember, most of the audience on this page, the Rocket League one, is 29% United States anyway. So those people will also have US followers, so most of it is going to be US. But because it goes viral so easily, it really doesn't matter at all. But what I'll do is, to help you guys out, I will leave my CPA and Max Bounty playlist on the screen above, where you can go and get more strategies, learn more information on how to promote CPA offers with Instagram and various different strategies and platforms such as social media, paid ads, and learning how to make something like this go viral to earn a good commission on Max Bounty with this specific sweepstakes offer. So on the screen, I will leave that playlist in little squares, so you're welcome to go and click on that and check that out. So I really hope you find a lot of value from this, but until then, I'll see you there.